Hi, I'm Chef Irfan Pabaney, the chef in shorts, and I'm going to be doing my version of the potato peel pie on the India Food Network. So, the Potato Peel Pie Society is releasing on Netflix this month. I've been inspired to do something of my own, so let's see what I can come up with. Soak them in water so that they don't discolor. And that goes into hot oil. Be very, very careful. So we're going to get some baby potatoes which are already boiled. So I'm going to add some cream to this. A little bit of milk. I'm going to add a little cream cheese spread. Does wonders. So we're frying this a second time. So once this is nice and crisp, I'm just going to do salt and pepper, but you can put anything else you want. And just really whisk this really well. That's almost done. This is done. So the next thing we're going to do is the chicken sausage stuffing. Slice the sausages. I'm going to turn on the gas. A little bit of oil in the pan. So the onions in. We're just going to chuck all of that in. I'm going to be flavoring this with oregano, some chili flakes, salt and pepper obviously. I'm going to take some cheddar cheese. I'm using cheddar. You can use mozzarella. You can use any cheese that you want. Putting it onto the tray, and I'm going to bake it at about 180 for about 10 minutes. So ideally, while this is baking in the oven, you want to start with the peels. What you want to do is get some of the peel, but you want to get some of the potato also. So that's done. We're going to get it out of the oven. I'm going to put one in just to check. Let's see how hot the oil is. Yeah, just a little more, then we're good. Keep stirring it so it doesn't get stuck together. What they do in West Bengal is they put a little haldi, a little chili powder, and they put some poppy seeds, and then they fry it. Very, very, very good. You have to try it at home. Super. So that's it. Let me know what you think about the potato peel pie in the comment section below. Thank you.